Puppy Adventure Book 2. Harvey woke up to a surprise to see that Goldie and Coco were on the swings without them. Douglas wasn't happy either, so they decided to go on an adventure together without Goldie and Coco. Goldie also went on a mission with Coco only. Choose which mission to read first. Which one? I think we'll just go along with the order. Harvey and Douglas were in the woods adventuring. And then it became nighttime. And in the morning, Douglas found the ruby ring, but as soon as he took it out of the tree hole, a skeleton appeared out of nowhere. Hee hee hee. Dogs like bones. Goldie and Coco's adventure starts. Seaside adventure. Goldie found a magic shell that made the castle a portal that needed the ruby ring to access. They called Douglas and Harvey to help find the ruby ring. Douglas excitedly said that he had the ruby ring. What a coincidence. Meanwhile, guess what? We already got it, said Douglas. So Douglas came to the seaside and used the ruby ring to open a portal. Then, when everybody went in, another dog named Peanut wanted to get out too, but sniffed Douglas's butt and held onto his tail. And all dogs were safe. Or were they? Where's Douglas? I don't know. Wait! And he came back through the portal and saved his friend, his new friend.